just hold. Is that hard to speak?
Whoa. You didn't have to do that. It's kind of nice when you like fade into it, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding. We're all good. What's up, guys? It's Lifted, and today we got some Hidden Fates, believe it or not, and Cole is sponsoring today's video and bringing the goods.
I'm too into it, man.
Yes, it is Cole's turn to get his experience with Hidden Fates that he didn't the first time around. And we got the glorious shinies in the back to grant him luck. And bless your boxes with the shiny Charizard before you get into it. And Cole's just gonna take it away, and they'll do their thing.
All right, we got two of them right now. Two Raichu GX boxes ready to go.
You have to bless them with the Charizard before you open the packs.
Bless them with the Charizard.
Yes. Yes.
That was beautiful. Okay, so Dang Giblets is gonna open one, and I'm gonna open one.
Yeehaw.
So I'm gonna go first.
Yes, because he's the master.
Knock this out of the park.
Yeah, he already knows the physics.
I wish I did.
He's already scanned through it already, guys. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Young. Oh my God. Just through the promo. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Nice and beautiful. Yes, everyone has it now because everyone's opened this box already, but it's not you.
There's one pack of sleeves, but that one's on.
Now we got the beautiful cards. I got 5 of the boxes, but we're only opening 2, and I didn't bring any of the shiny Charizard packs ones because I'm gonna save those. So we'll start off with one of these Mewtwo's. Sweet. Does this have any?
The code cards are all white.
Do I need to count?
Yeah, you can do the card trick. Guess the energy will be fire because he's gonna pull the Charizard.
I'm down with that.
It's all
Oh,
Okay.
get that young far-fetched. Slowpoke. Oh God. Oh, I like that Pikachu.
Imagine first pack.
You got a young energy.
And he did get a
And another Raichu.
ultra rare. Okay.
I already have this one. I think I pulled this from... I don't even know what I pulled this from.
You would have had to pull it from Hidden Fates, bro.
Weird. I have... Damn, I have so many Raichus then that look like that. It's wild.
I think you're thinking of the Shining Legends.
Probably, because it looks a lot like that. Okay, so we'll do the birds next.
Yeah.
Alright, alright, alright. See that Pikachu starting off.
For the price you got these at, like, regardless of what you get, like,
Oh,
even
yeah,
a
it's
single,
still...
like, half art shiny would be insane.
Oh, yeah.
Water. Well, oh, I was thinking the same. Okay.
Alright, anybody else?
Doc energy.
Doc? Oh, shit. Wow, nice. Misty's determination. Misty twerking her ass off, getting that OnlyFans money. Peep that shit. Getting that OnlyFans.
OnlyFans luck.
Misty's at it already. Fucking spoiled it. You can see the Psyduck at the top.
But luckily with Hidden Fates, you have 2 chances that
Young Clefairy. It's okay. We still got 6 more packs. We're gonna do next.
You did technically get 1 ultra rare so far, so you got like 1 point.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna do grass now.
Fire.
Water.
Dark again. Chansey. Giovanni's Exile. Oh, I like that Cuba. Oh shit.
Kartana. He did, that's
That looks pretty
shiny.
big.
That's a full art shiny,
Yeah.
too.
The centering's
So-
not the best, but it does look pretty nice.
I mean, if you get 2 out of a box, yeah, that's amazing. Like, you did get your pull, so that's already a win.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. The Kartana's pretty big.
What color is Kartana originally?
It has like orange.
Is
It
it
has that like white and orange. I'm pretty positive.
Maybe
I
the
could-
shiny's just not that
I
different.
could be tripping. The shiny's like a red.
Oh, I see.
Oh god.
Yeah.
I just went with it. I'm sorry.
He's gonna get 2 full art shinies in this one box, bet.
I'm down. I'm gonna pull from the top. Star you. Oh, shit!
God!
Hell
That was a
yeah.
stacked
Bro, and the
box.
Lycanroc too. Oh, that's so
Damn.
exciting.
Damn!
Fuck yeah.
That one's definitely better too. This one has the Kartana as a raw card's probably like, I don't know, like $8 to $10, but as a 10 it'll be like $50 to $100. As a 9 it's probably like $50, but for a potentially $50 card and a $20 box is good, and a potential like good like $100 card as a 10, like,
Well worth it.
yeah, for sure.
Can you see it?
That was a win. He pulled, like, imagine, bro. Like,
Wow.
sometimes you don't even get a single one of those in a tin.
I got two. So
And you got 2 in one box. It's like I called it, too.
Now Mackenzie needs to pull that Charizard.
That's pretty cool.
The girlfriends always have the most luck, so...
True that.
Like that one time I pulled a Charizard, like Charmeleon.
Yeah,
Yes.
same pack.
That's pretty cool.
You can just open that off to the side.
Who knows? I don't know
Yeah,
who wants to watch this.
I mean-
unboxing.
As long as the packs are on screen, you're good.
Yeah.
Because, like, that's, like, all they...
I feel like they appreciate, you know, the honesty.
Double thought.
Oh, that's dope. Jesse's in it.
Yeah, all the Team Rocket based Pokemon are like kind of, and that is pretty dope too. I'd say that also. I'll find the Ultra Pro sleeves in a bit.
I do over here with the right shoes.
I have like a stack of them in like one of the Elite Trainer boxes somewhere.
Oh, that's cool.
That's normally like orange, and that's normally orange too.
So Joey did pull the Charizard, so I think it is time for Mackenzie to pull his.
Absolutely, please do.
So
If that's not goals, I don't know what is.
and it was just about a year ago when she did it too. She pulled it on like New Year's. Yeah.
We need the Zardo.
We were together in New Year's.
Yes.
Fire.
Water.
Electricity.
Like
Aw. Okay.
I don't know what that one is.
steel. Magmo.
I got Charmeleon.
Alright.
I got a Cubone. I got something.
Oh shit.
Oh, bro, you got a gold
It's
card
the
too?
Bulu. It's the Bulu.
The Bulu, bro.
Okay.
We're running out of
She
Ultra
got
Pros.
The Bulu.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, now we can still pull the Charizard out of this. We got 3 more packs.
Oh my god, Cole. Yeah, you can just leave that
That's
up.
pretty
boy.
cool. Look at you.
Those, like, if you got one of the 3 cards you pulled so far, like, would have been, like, chill.
Yeah.
Like, I wouldn't complain.
For the
But, like,
first,
my
for the first
God.
8 hidden back or
Hidden
hidden face.
Holy shit.
I'm gonna get destroyed.
Ryan
The
snaps
internet
the
is gonna
card. That
cancel
was
me
fun.
now. Oh god.
Okay.
Oh,
That
fire.
was what it is.
Water.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Go. Oh.
Okay.
It's fairy.
Technically, it doesn't matter because now the last card is the
Yeah.
potential shiny. And that's where the Charizard slot is.
Another twerking. Oh, and another thought.
It's like the 2 thoughts like stick together.
Yeah. That Ekans looking at the rainbow.
Oh
my god! Fuck
Oh,
yeah.
reverse Mew's
That
pretty
makes me
sick.
happy. I fucking
Yeah.
love Mew. Mew's my
Hello.
little
It came out in the new pack.
fucking darling.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's so cute.
That is a really good art. And I don't think you can get that in hollow either, so that's the best rarity for that card. That's a pretty rare one for the reverse, because it's a reverse rare. So, like, that's a good one to go towards your master set. Yeah.
Okay.
Electricity.
Water.
Fire. Fighting,
I always
okay.
forget that fighting is in there.
Yes, fighting somebody has so
There's so many trainer cards in here. We got Pikachu. We got a Charmander.
And now just Charizard's
You can do it. Yes. For Cole Niston's wallet. Oh. Okay.
I'm down with it though.
You still got a bunch of really good cards.
Yeah.
That is a good reverse too, actually. That art's pretty sick.
I got one more.
One more.
Okay. Those are two real good boxes, so I mean we can't complain.
No,
But-
not at all.
A Charizard, you know, would be kind of nice.
Really
Just saying.
put the icing on the cake.
Bro. Imagine if your Boo gets a PSA 10.
Charizard or fuck.
Charizard energy,
Charizard.
I'm too excited.
Psychic. Yes. You gotta guess Psychic for the last one. I have faith this pack is gonna be lucky now. We guessed the energy. And now we're gonna call the Charizard.
You have a bunch of like cards like that one.
Oh, shiny?
Oh shit!
In a hollow.
And a Vaporeon. Hell yeah!
What
Is
shiny
that
is
another
that?
card? It goes.
Oh, you got the pair now. That's not bad.
This one's Ultra Beast.
Yeah, it's the Kartana.
Yeah, it's
I think it's
that shiny hoe we just got.
I wonder where I put
Oh, that's damn,
Damn,
you
clear
can
stack.
feel the texture on that hoe. Oh. You feel it.
Oh, you're opening one of these two.
Yeah,
It's cool.
but that'll be for a different one.
Here, let's show off what we got.
Yeah, do your recap, and yeah, that was a treat to behold. Congratulations on your pulls. That was nice.
Wow, you're packed.
Oh yes, thank you.
Yeah,
Yes, thank you. All right.
absolute legend.
Oh, this is too dank. I'm gonna try to put these in a decent order. Okay, starting off with like the worst meme we got going on here. We'll do this Misty's because everyone loves a thought. We got this nice little Mew because I love Mew.
Yeah.
We got this nice little Evolution Vaporeon. This nice hollow Kartana.
That was a half art shiny, very nice.
And then to go with it.
Oh, it evolves. Kind of, but not really. It's still a Kartana.
Ooh. And we got this baby. Ooh.
Oh, even better. And what's even better than a full art shiny is that gold boy.
that
Oh
Bulu.
my god.
Out of 8 packs. That's
Oh.
what we pulled. My first
That was
Hidden
like
Fates
the
pulls.
most insane like Hidden Fates like starter
Beyond
like first
excited.
ever. Oh my god. That's a pretty hype pull too.
Beautiful.
Imagine what kind of cards you're gonna get for boxes.
I hope so.
You're probably gonna get so many premium cards.
Let you
If
do
he was
your
able to
outro.
get this many with these two, think about it.
Well, that was a treat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Brought to you by Dank Giblets. What's it?
2 trees.
Two trees.
What about you?
And dang
And-
giblets.
In Dank Giblets, yes.
What about this?
Okay. And we got the squad here. So we got Enabled Ryan, and we also have I forgot the dog's name.
Little Iroquois.
Iroquois, yes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we out of here. Peace.
Yeah.